right, guys, here we go. We're trying to make up some points for that Unit 8 test. So we're going to start with the basic vocabulary with quadratic graphs. So we're going to start by finding the turning point. And this is the equation that we're going to use. Okay? So now, the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to jot down some notes. When you're trying to find the turning point, when they give you the equation, the first thing you want to do is put the equation I can't spell, sorry. Put the equation into y equals. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to put the equation into y equals. So I'm just going to type in here negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. Okay? The next thing you want to do is you want to go to your table and find the rainbow. So if you remember, to get to your table, you want to hit second graph. Okay, so I'm going to start scrolling through this. And what you're looking for is you want to look for the y values to repeat. So I'm seeing that I have 13 and 13 as some y values. I want to continue to see more of that. So I'm looking to see, again, I want to find a number in the middle, and then I want to see the y values repeating outside of it. I think if you can look closely at your calculator, you'll see that you have the point 215 sitting in the center of your rainbow, because all the y values are repeating around the 15. So that's your turning point. So we can jot this down, that the turning point is in the center of the rainbow. So the turning point that they asked for, we are going to write down the coordinate 215. Okay. Now we're going to look at finding the range for this function. So the range, the first thing you want to do is write y, because the range means y. So I'm going to write down for the range, I'm going to write down a y. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the y coordinate of the turning point. So my turning point is 215. 15 is the y coordinate. Okay? So then the next thing you want to do is check your table, or you can actually look at your graph. I'll show you both. And you want to see, are the y values greater than or less than the y value you have written. So if I'm scrolling through my table here, if you look at all the other y values that are in the calculator, they're all numbers that are less than 15. They're less than 15. So I'm going to write all the range is y is less than or equal to 15. Now, if you're looking at your graph, and again, this tells me my calculator is graphing, it goes up. My turning off my screen, but I can tell my turning point is someplace up here. Looking at my graph, are all of the y values above the graph or below the graph? That's what you want to check for. So since all the y values are less than, that's where you're getting that as well. Okay? So now for increasing and decreasing, the first thing you want to do is write x. Oops, that's supposed to be quotes right there. So I'm going to write, when is the function increasing? I want to look at my x coordinates, and then I want to write the x coordinate of the turning point. So go back to your turning point, and my turning point has an x value of 2. So now I'm going to look at my graph, and I want to think to yourself, this is what you want to ask yourself. If you are, we are looking for increasing. If you're increasing on the left side, that means you want to use the less than. The right side means you want to use greater than. So if you look at this graph right here, you read the graph from left to right. As I look at this graph on the left side, I'm going up, 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 up. So the left side is when I'm increasing. So the left side means less than. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a new equation into my calculator. So I'm going to go back to y equals. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to type in x squared minus 2x minus 8. So that's my new equation right there. And now I'm going to follow these steps again to find the turning point. Put the equation into y equals. Great, we did it. Find the rainbow in the table. So I'm going to go to my table, and I'm going to look for the rainbow. Oh, and I can see that my y values are repeating, and I can find the number in the middle of the table. And it looks like that number right there is 1, negative 9. Now remember, guys, the beauty of a video is that you can pause if you want to take a minute and double check something on your calculator. So always hit pause. Now, for the range, I'm going to write the y, and then I need the coordinate from my turning point. Negative 9 is the y coordinate from the turning point. Looking at my table here, look at all of these other numbers that I'm seeing. All of these other y values are greater than or equal to negative 9. Okay? Now, when is the function increasing? This means I need to write down x. So I'm going to write down my x. I'm going to write the x coordinate of the turning point. That's the 1. Now, if I look at this graph, when I read it left to right, my graph is going down, 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 down. Here's my turning point, and then I start to increase. So I'm actually increasing on the right-hand side. Right-hand side means I use the greater than. Okay? So that's the first piece of work you want to do with unit